So you want to be a voice actor? Well, so did I. Here's the story about how I recorded my first anime demo reel in my free vocal booth, link to that video up here, and I used my phone, and nobody ever really seemed to notice. So one day a few months ago, I was sitting on my couch when an idea struck. I wanted to pursue voice acting. So I did what any reasonable person would do. Hopped online to start buying things. Yes, I know that's not the best way to get started, but just hear me out. After seeing how much this stuff costs and sifting through hours of YouTube videos, I was frustrated. Much like you, I just wanted to get started. That's when an idea struck. Can I do this recording from my phone? I got up, ran from my couch. Hey, I said ran, and into my booth. And from there, I went on to create my first anime demo reel. And yes, it has gotten me paid work, and I put that phone recording in, and nobody has ever either noticed or complained about it. Actually, go ahead and take a listen. It's right up there. And let me know which character you think was recorded on my phone. The first person to get it right will be pinned on the video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and you can record great work even if you're just using your phone. I'll catch you guys in the next video.